The Gentiles were without hope and they were without God in the world. And so without this piece that's missing, without Christ, they don't have God, right? They don't have the hope. They don't have the promise. But in Ephesians 2, verse 13, it says, "But now in Christ Jesus, you who once were far away have been brought near by the blood of Christ." So Christ, in his work on the cross, he abolishes the distinction between Gentile and Jew. I wanted to read to you guys a verse from Colossians 1, verse 17. This is talking about Christ. It says, "He is before all things, and in him all things hold together. And he is the head of the body, the church. He is the beginning and the firstborn from among the dead, so that in everything he might have supremacy. For God was pleased to have all his fullness dwell in him, and through him to reconcile himself all things, whether on earth or things in heaven, by making peace through his blood shed on the cross." It said, "Once you were alienated from God and were enemies in your mind because of your evil behavior. But now he has reconciled you by Christ's physical body through death to present you holy in his sight, without blemish and free from accusation, if you continue in your faith, established and firm, and do not move from the hope held out in the gospel." You see the words that are repeated from what we were just talking about, right? The Gentiles have hope now, right? They are now holy. Remember, the Israelites were chosen to be God's holy people. And so this is what Christ does. He tears the veil. He gives us access to become a part of his body, to become part of his church. And so I think that's really important and critical to kind of understand as we read through this passage.